I have an $8,000 big flat screen TV on my wall. All right. I want to know I have coverage. Okay.
$1,000.
Yeah, believe it or not.
It's really old.
It is old. Oh, it's not worth 8 now.
Can you
Wrap it up?
Yeah.
Sure.
Can you tell us the 4 points of what is covered? Like what? Fire, wind.
Covered.
Like, can you? I forget what the acronym is or whatever, but there's like 4 specific or 5 specific coverages.
Well, an HO-3 is going to cover just about everything you're thinking. Okay. And again, if you have a nice home, all right, Dave, I've never seen yours. I know yours is nice. Yours is nice. Should have an HO-5. All right. Be happy you did. And lastly, I'll start to wrap it up here. Underground utility line coverage. It's a common claim now. Used to never be. Water line from the street going to your house. And you say, oh, it broke. I have to fix that. Whoa, $20,000 to fix it. That is about what the average size claim is for that. Oh, I have homeowners. No. If you don't have that endorsement, then you don't have coverage. Okay? It's important to know that, and I can cover it for $35 for the year up to $25,000 in this policy.
So what you're saying is endorsements are very important.
You just won the grand prize. Yes, that's why
Make the policy.
that's why I chose.
Well,
Most-
people are shopping by price.
Right.
They go
Yes.
online and they say, I can get it for 700 or 900. Okay, I'll do 700. What difference does it make? I have coverage.
I know.
Thinking that it's really kind of the same policy, and it's
And a lot of times people are shopping that price and the only person they're insuring is their bank.
That's right.
They're not insuring themselves.
That's actually a good point, because when you don't carry homeowners insurance and the bank gets you insurance, I have my house for $620. Now my house is paid off, but still, if I had a mortgage, the bank is only going to get forced insurance for the amount of my mortgage. All right, which is horrible. And it, yeah, so there's more here, but that's
Save it.
who said save it? Save it.
Save it for next time.
Question on
I
that.
will save it. Sure.
Since the bank has you covered in that incident.
Yes.
And there's a disaster with the house, does the insurance company pay off does the forced insurance pay your mortgage off? Now you have no mortgage, but you have damage.
Yeah, they covered their interest only,
Okay.
not
And
yours.
So it's not like the bank gets that money and you still have a mortgage.
No.
No,
They pay
no.
off. Yeah, they pay off their interest. It's just like car insurance. They pay their interest off.
Some insurances, some municipalities, if I'm not mistaken, the insurance company might have to rebuild because the property has to have whatever structure on.
That's a great question. You got good questions. I just have to answer his question. That's ordinance of law coverage. Local ordinance says, hey, that you have to use materials that were in effect 100 years ago. All right. Policies like online will have no coverage for that. Or if they do, it's a nominal amount. Mine has 25% of whatever the 626 is to go towards those costs. People don't think about that. Wow, what if they come in? There's a local ordinance that says I must replace it with materials from back then. You need to have that coverage on your policy.
Somebody knew their house, they had a complete loss, and they said, I'm just gonna take the money from everything's been paid off, I'll pocket and move on somewhere else and then sell the vacant lot. And supposedly you couldn't do that because there had to be a structure of equal value of what was there.
Yes.
Township.